Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi, my name is Nona Sabintu Amakhi and my matrix number is 292448. Now I will start the presentation video with the introduction. Maintaining and managing the Sydney Opera House is a complex endeavor that involves a range of strategies to preserve its architectural grandeur and functionality, designed by Danish architect George Utzon and complete in 1973. The Opera House stands as an iconic symbol of Australia cultural heritage. The building's unique shell-like structure, covered in over 1 million tiles, require meticulous care due to its exposure to costly weather conditions. Continuous monitoring, regular inspection and specialized cleaning technique are essential to preserve wear and ensure structural integrity. Advanced technologies like building information modeling (BIM) and real-time sensor did in proactive maintenance by predicting and addressing potential issues promptly. Through this effort, the Sydney Opera House continued to shine as a testament to human creativity and cultural excellence.
Okay, so now let's explore the historical context of the Sydney Opera House, one of the most iconic buildings in the world. So, in 1940s, there was a growing need for a world-class performance venue in Sydney. The idea was to create a cultural hub that would elevate the city's status on the global stage. This plan has attracting over 230 entries from architects worldwide. So, in 1956, an international design competition was held. Danish architect John Utzon won with his innovative design featuring unique sail-like shelves. So, construction began in 1959 and faced many challenges, including engineering difficulties and cost overruns. The innovative design required a groundbreaking techniques which delayed the project. So, for the cultural impact, the Opera House quickly became a symbol of Austria's creativity and ambition. It hosts a wide range of performances, from opera and theatre to concerts and art exhibitions. And after 14 years, the Sydney Opera House was completed and officially opened by Queen Elizabeth II on October 20th, 1973. Despite the challenges, it was celebrated for its architectural brilliance. And in 2007, it was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its architectural significance and its role in advancing structural design. Today, the Sydney Opera House is not only a centre for the arts but also a major tourist attraction, drawing millions of visitors each year. So next, we will explore about the challenges during construction. So the project faced numerous delays and budget overruns. They planned and estimate the project to complete about 4 years and cost about $7 million. But then they ultimately taking 14 years and costing $102 million to complete the project. The designs sail-like shell presented significant engineering challenges. So Utzon also faced political and financial pressures, leading to his resignation in 1966. After that, efforts to correct these issues have been ongoing since its opening, and finding suitable materials and construction methods for the shells was a major hurdle. And lastly, the initial estimates vastly underestimate the final cost.
Hi, I'm 25 for Sydney Muhammad Nazrul bin Zuki, and now I will explain about the building structure and the maintenance need. The Sydney Opera House is a structure marvel known for its unique design and the engineering innovations. The podium, roof shell, and the glass curtain wall form the core of the building construction. Now I will explain about the podium, which is the foundation of the Sydney Opera House that anchoring it to back-knolling points. The podium have made from the reinforced concrete and serve as the building's solid basic. It have a many floors, including the main performance room, practice spaces, administrative office, and the technical support facility. Next is about the roof shell. The Sydney Opera House most recognized feature it is roof shell, which are frequently compared to billowing shell or a she shell. These shells are composed of the precast concrete components that were joined on site using a novel building technology. Each shell is a part of the spherical structure which form a sequence of parabolic arches that cover the performance area. And the last one is about the glass curtain wall. The glass curtain wall of the Sydney Opera House surround the area beneath the roof shells and bringing natural light into the entire and providing breathtaking vistas of the Sydney harbours. These walls are made up of big glass panels supported by the steel mullions, resulting in a transparent border that increase the sense of openness and connected with the surrounding environments. The glass curtain walls serve both practical and the ornamental purpose, and offering weather protection while also adding to the building's overall architecture's harmony. Now we move on to the maintenance need of the Opera House. The first one is about the structure maintenance. The Sydney Opera House structure upkeep focus on sustaining the concrete platform, roof shell, and the glass curtain wall. Regular inspections and repair are required to handle any difficulty that arise from the hostile sea environment, which can cause corrosions and degradations. For example, roof shell made of a precast concrete segment and coated with the ceramic tile must be inspected on a regular basis to verify that the tile are intact and the underlying structure is sound. The second maintenance is about the aesthetic maintenance. Maintaining the iconic look of the Sydney Opera House is critical. The ceramic tile that cover the roof shell require constant washing to maintain their bright white and the cream color, which add to the building's shimmering aspect. To remove filth, algae, and the pollutants, this cleaning technique uses both manual and the mechanical approach. The third one is about the operational maintenance. The Sydney Opera House, being a functional performance venue, require internal system maintenance to guarantee that operation runs smoothly. These comprise HVAC, which is heating, ventilations, and the air conditioning, system electrical system, plumbing, and stage equipment. The performance venues such as the concert hall and the opera theatre contain specialized equipment and acoustical treatment that require frequent maintenance to match the high expectation of world-class performance. Next is about the heritage conservations. Given its UNESCO World Heritage classifications, the Sydney Opera House maintenance include heritage conservation methods, use material and a procedure consistent with John Orden's original building methods and design concept. The conservation measure guarantee that any repair to replacements preserve the building historical and the architectural value. Detailed documentation and adherence to conservation principle are critical components of this approach. Next is about the Heritage Action Plan. As temporary custodian of this stage, national and world heritage sites are dedicated to preserving and celebrating the Sydney Opera House heritage significance, including the building and its function as a performing arts center and a community gathering place for current and future generations. And the last one is about the technological upgrade. The Opera House preservation is the incorporation of new technology into the actions edified. These include replacing lighting, sound system, and the digital infrastructure to meet current requirements while maintaining the building's integrity. Technological change are made in a way that integrates in with the original design, that ensuring that the Opera House remains a cutting-edge performing space. Now we move on to the architecture layout. The Sydney Opera House is an important feature of its design, meeting both of the functional needs of various performance and the architect's aesthetic goals. The Opera House internal structure is methodologically organized to separate public area from performance and the backstage zone, providing a smooth flow of the movement for both audience and performer. The concert hall and opera theatre are created with unique acoustic and spatial concerns based on their intended function. For example, the concert hall architecture concentrates on delivering ideal acoustic for symphonic music, but the opera theatre has facility and the stage technological appropriate for the opera and ballet performance. The Sydney Opera House has 7 performance venues, which is the concert hall, the opera theatre, the playhouse, drama theatre, the studio, the forecourt, and the last one is the audience room.
Salam sejahtera, my name is Azani Kiduku, number metric 286268. Next, I will present about issues in building management of Sydney Opera House in terms of interior maintenance and exterior maintenance. Interior maintenance has two problems. First, the acoustic of the performance hall, which is made of bare concrete and produces bad sound. And this has caused financial issues, which are doing the acoustic improvements to produce a better sound. The acoustic improvements in the performance hall were done and experienced a cost increase. Secondly, is about air conditioning system. This is because the use of the air conditioning system is against the aesthetic of the building, which requires a more efficient air conditioning system, that is by using a cooler to get rid of excess heat. And they use and install an air conditioning system obtained from the supply of cold seawater from the Sydney Harbour, and directly results in rapid corrosion of the metals used to pump and head out of the building. And while in terms of the exterior maintenance also has two problems, which is first to repair the roof. This is because of the unstable type of the roof is made of small tiles and has been neatly arranged in a repeating chevron pattern, and the roof types is easily damaged. This creates difficulty repair the roof due to the use of a type of the roof that is easily damaged. And this shell structure roof takes a long time to repair. And secondly is about resurfacing and a more comprehensive waterproofing solution. This is because the location of the building is above seawater, which is a high potential for water to overflow. And they use the drainage system, which is cavity drain, that is light and easy to operate and has high strain to withstand compression loads. And this can cause problem because it has a large area and high cost. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Noai and my metric number is 286572. Next, I will continue. The Sydney Opera House faced several challenges in space utilization and operational efficiency. Firstly, each venue, like the concert hall and opera theatre, was designed with specific performance in mind. Adapting this space for different events, such as using a hall designed for orchestral music for a rock concert, can compromise acoustic and audience experience. Maintenance is another major issue. The Opera House's unique architectural design and heritage status result in high upkeep costs. Specialized skills and material are required to preserve its historical integrity, staining the budget and diverting funds from potential improvements. Technological integration also poses challenge. Upgrading to modern staging, lighting, and sound equipment must be balanced with preserving the historical ambience, often leading to compromise. Visitor experience is crucial as the Opera House is a major tourist attraction. Managing visitor flow to avoid congestion and ensure a high-quality experience requires strategic planning and coordination, especially during peak times. Lastly, accessibility is a significant challenge. The original design did not account for modern accessibility standards, necessitating retrofitting to accommodate people with disabilities. This involves installing ramps, elevators, and other features while preserving the building's architectural significance. In summary, balancing preservation with modernization, managing operational costs, and ensuring accessibility are key to optimizing the space utilization and efficiency of the Sydney Opera House.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Syafiqah Izzati binti S. Afandi. My metric number is 285188. I will present about the case study of Sydney Opera House. The case study of the Sydney Opera House examines its development from inception, driven by the need for a concert venue for the Sydney Symphony Orchestra, through its iconic but challenging design by John Alsop, to its present state requiring ongoing modification. The study highlights significant engineering challenges, political pressure, and the necessity for continuous adaptation, such as converting space like the rehearsal and recording room into the studio. It underscores the balance between aesthetic aspiration and practical functionality, reflecting broader cultural and practical priorities in Australia, and emphasizes the importance of evolving architectural spaces to meet user needs. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Lauren Fasana, metric number 283386. Today, I will present about the strategies for effective building maintenance and management of the Sydney Opera House. First, strategies of the Sydney Opera House is integrated maintenance planning. The Sydney Opera House strategy, asset maintenance, SAM strategies, aims to enhance the building appearance, including the iconic roof shelves and interior space like the concert hall and gym Federline Theatre. This comprehensive plan integrates creative audience and guest amenities with accessibility, safety, and security while minimizing personas security disruptions. The maintenance process involves frequent condition evaluations of the building's assets such as the structure, services, and specialized equipment to prioritize maintenance care tasks and allocate resources. Additionally, building information modeling BIM is used to digitally manage asset data and maintenance operations. Second one is strategies inside stakeholder engagement. The Opera House consults with staff, resident, company, government, and architecture and historic group for its maintenance policies. This collaboration ensures the building's upkeep meets artist, audience, and visitor needs. Venue modifications like those to the concert hall and show Federline Theatre are guided by feedback to enhance quality, accessibility, and use. The Opera House Heritage Management Plan treats with historical specialists and the community outlines preservation policies to respect its cultural significance. And the third one, strategies, is funding and budgeting. The Opera House has received financing from the New South Wales provincial government for its strategic asset maintenance SAM initiatives. This financing is intended to sustain all physical non-current assets owned or controlled by the Opera House. To fund its maintenance effort, the Opera House generates cash flow, ticket sales, venue, hire, and commercial operations. The Opera House uses cost-benefit analysis to select maintenance projects, weighing of various changes that improve the tourist experience against the apparent work that preserves the building heritage and functionality. For example, the concert hall refurbishment increased acoustic and accessibility while also making the venue safer and more adaptable. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Hi, my name is Siti Aisha binti Zaini, metric number 284845. The next strategy is addition of maintenance worker, advertising job opening to the public and recruit candidate who meet the requirement. The company should hire more maintenance staff. Proper and indirect maintenance work can be performed when the required maintenance personnel are present. The second last one strategy is policy and maintenance guidelines are adhered to. The building life can be prevented, protected, or extended by following regulation and interact with the policy. For instance, precisely calculate the series service is one of the goal of the maintenance. The last one is improve customer complaint system. In the event of an emergency, such as damage the building component, the client can use the complaint system right away, and maintenance will be complete after the complaint is received. That's all for me. Thank you.
Now I will continue the video with the conclusion. The Sydney Opera House, emblematic of Australia's cultural and architectural prowess, demands rigorous maintenance and management to preserve its iconic texture, its unique design, including a distinctive shell-like structure and field roof, requiring regular inspection and specialized cleaning to withstand coastal weather conditioning. Advanced technologies like building information modeling (BIM) and real-time sensor facilities precise maintenance planning, and early issues detections, ensuring continuous preservation without disruptions. Operational management is a crucial for balancing preservation with public access, supported by sustainability initiatives to enhance environmental stewardship. Those efforts reaffirms the Opera House's global significance as a symbol of human dedication and innovation in architectural preservation.